Got concrete, blocks or slabs you want to break? What are you going to use? Ground Buster. The easy way to turn slabs and blocks into rubble. The Ground Buster has a patented internal slide hammer which gives a secondary force upon impact. This maximises the operator's effort, reduces fatigue and increases the overall effectiveness of the tool. Additionally, the hammer action reduces vibration to the hands, potential jarring to the back and arms, and prevents the likelihood of any recoil action that could result in injury. You have no electric and you want to break concrete? What are you going to use? Ground Buster. The Draper Ground Buster is a must on any demolition or building site. You have tree roots to cut. What are you going to use? Ground Buster. The Ground Buster is the perfect tool for smashing and cutting old unwanted tree roots. You have hard ground you need to break. What are you going to use? Ground Buster. The Draper Ground Buster is a must for any ground worker or farmer. Next time, whether concrete, brick slab, block, roots or hard ground needs breaking, what are you going to use? Ground Buster. For more information about the Draper Ground Buster or to find a stockist, visit www.draper.co.uk.